In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about editing the toolbar options or buttons on your Opera mobile web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Opera Start page and then select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And you want to scroll down here until you locate the Appearance tile. Select that and then go down again underneath where it says Layout and select the Edit Toolbar tile. At this point, you can adjust whatever items you want to display up here at the top, so you can move them around. You can add additional buttons you want to the toolbar by dragging them up to the top and then consequentially moving other ones down below. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And if you wanted to reset it, you can select the reset button and that'll reset the toolbar layout. So pretty straightforward. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.